Have you been scrolling on the internet wondering how these young folks making all this money on the internet? Like, really? 20, 30, 40, 50K a month? Your mind can't even conceive that idea because, for so long, Gen X, we've been working our 9 to 5 jobs, working in corporate America, putting in 8 to 10 hours a day for little pay, right? You went up for a bonus and you didn't get it, or the raise was like 10 cents, and you're just done. You're like ready. You're like done. I know how you feel. That was me. I decided to learn what the young kids are doing. Okay? The young kids are making money on the internet. I wanted to learn all of that. And so I did. I learned how to use the skills that I have and the passions that I have inside of me to be able to really create some generational wealth for me and my family. And that's through digital marketing. Didn't know what it was, but now I do. And I teach women how to do the same. I can teach you how to make money online if you want to. Just let me know in the comments and I'll tell you all the details.